Hey guys, welcome back for our second math class. Last time we met, we were talking about using the area model to solve 2-digit by 1-digit multiplication. So just a quick review. When we're talking about multiplication or times, all that means is equal groups, right? 3 times 4 just means 3 groups of 4. 77 times 9 means 77 groups of 9. But rather than drawing a picture of that, we're using the area model. When I say 2-digit number, that means it's a number with a tens place and a ones place. So 4 is a 1-digit number. 86 is a 2-digit number. 204 is a 3-digit number. Each one of these is a digit. And the way that we do that is we put our 2-digit number into expanded form. Remember, expand means to stretch out, open up. So if we're doing expanded form, we're telling the value of each digit. The value of this 6 is 60, and the value of this 5 is 5. And we are doing that by setting it all up in an area model. When I say area model, that means we're making our boxes. Think about when you find the area of a shape, and we're just breaking up our numbers to multiply. So our 60 and our 5 would go here, times whatever we were multiplying times. Multiply, and then add your partial products. We're going to continue to work on this, but today we're going to be looking at it in some word problems. Same skill, just taking it one step further. For the first one, I just want you to watch me do it. For the second one, I'm going to have you follow along on your whiteboards. And the third one, I'm going to upload as a template, and you're going to solve it and submit it to me. So here's problem number 1. Now remember, when we're solving word problems, before we decide what operation to use, plus, minus, times, divide, we want to make that picture in our mind of what is happening. So this says 26 cars are in a parking lot. Each car has 4 wheels. How many total wheels are in the parking lot? So try and envision that in your head. I'm picturing a parking lot, and I'm picturing lots of cars, rows of cars, and there's 26 of those cars, and I'm picturing 4 wheels on every car. So I know that I could count by 4s 26 times, but I don't want to do that. So instead, I'm going to set up my equation, and I know that if I have equal groups, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 26 times, then I need to multiply. Okay? Each car is 4. So my equation is going to be 26 cars times 4 wheels each equals how many wheels in all. Step 1, break up your 2-digit number into expanded form. 26 is the same as 20 plus 6. 2, set up your area model. Okay. Your 2-digit number is going to go at the top. And we're multiplying all of this times 4. That's going to go here. When I multiply, I'm first multiplying my 4 times my 20, and then I'm multiplying my 4 times my 6. Now, this table is super cool because it actually has a multiplication chart right on it. I told you before, if you want to pull one up online while you do this, that's fine. I'm also going to be modeling our skip counting that we've practiced a lot. So 4 times 20. Remember, we're going to multiply 4 times 2 and then add our 0. So 4 times 2 is the same as 2 times 4, 8. I could count by 2's 4 times, 2, 4, 6, 8. Or I could count by 4's 2 times. 4, 8, either way. And then I need to add 1, 0. Step 2, 4 times 6 Okay, I can check my chart. 4 times 6 is 24. Or I could count by 4s 6 times. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Then I just need to add my partial products. So I don't have any hundreds. I have tens and ones. 80 is 8 tens and 0 ones. 24 is 2 tens and 4 ones. 4 plus 0 is 4. 8 plus 2, actually I lied, I do have hundreds technically. 8 plus 2 is 10. Write my 0, regroup my 1. 104. Now, because this is a word problem, I want to make sure I answer the question. The question is asking me how many total wheels are in the lot. So this would be 104 wheels. And I'll label my answer. Okay? This is the one that I want you to follow along on with me. Make that picture in your mind as I'm reading of what is happening. I bought 3 crates of apples. Each of those crates had 17 apples in it. So crate 1 had 17, and another 17, and another 17. I have 3 equal groups of 17. How many total apples did I buy? I want to know the total number of apples. So I have 3 equal groups of 17. That means my operation is going to be multiplication. Okay, I'm going to set up my equation. 3 times 17 equals some number of apples. Okay. First thing I need to do is break apart my 2-digit number into expanded form. 17 is the same as what plus what. Take a second to do that before I just give you the answer. I'm hoping that you told me 10 plus 7. If you did, well done. Set up your area model. Okay, your 2-digit number is going to be broken up at the top. So instead of multiplying 3 times 17, we're multiplying 3 times 10 and 3 times 7 and then adding them back up. So 3 times 17 is 10 plus 7 all times 3. And you're going to multiply in your boxes. 10 times 3, you guys are really great at counting by tens. 10, 20, 30. If I had done 3 times 1, I would have gotten 3, and I could have just brought my 0 down. That would have been acceptable too. 7 times 3, or 3 times 7. We're all pretty good at counting by 3s. Let's sing it. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Okay. These are my partial products. Now I just need to line them up and add. Hundreds, tens, ones. 30 is 3 tens and 0 ones. 21 is 2 tens and 1 1. Start in your ones place. 1 plus 0 is 1. 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 crates of 17 apples is 51 total apples. Now, for your independent practice, you are going to be writing right into this. If it is easier for you to write on your whiteboard or on another piece of paper, take a picture of it and send it to me. That is totally acceptable. But if not, you can use the drawing tool to work right in this document. Just make your picture in your mind. There are 72 sheep on a farm. Each sheep has 2 eyes. So you're picturing lots and lots and lots of sheep and their eyes. How many eyes are there in all? So think about what you're going to multiply to find out the total number of i's. Okay, break up your two-digit number times your other number, set up your area model, solve for your partial products, add, and you are good to go. I will give you feedback on this once you give it to me. Good luck.